Okay, guys, now let's create, now that we already did the garage floor, now let's do a floor for our living dining, right? Or the kitchen or different floors around the house, okay? So let's start here with something, right? So let's go, you already know how to do a floor, so you need to go to the architectural tab. You need to go to floor, you need to go the floor architectural, and on the type selector, you don't want a polished concrete floor, right? Or you might want it, but you might want one with ceramic, a different one, right? So we're gonna go over this ones, right? Wood joist with ceramic tile or wood finish or carpet finish, right? So I'm gonna use the wood finish, but because it has a wood and this one is gonna go direct into the dirt, right? I'm gonna have to go to edit type, right? I need to duplicate the floor and I'm gonna put here, uh, I'm gonna get rid of the, on the name, I'm gonna get rid of the wood joist. I'm gonna put here 4-inch, right? 4-inch wood finish. And I'm gonna put here my initials so I can keep track of the changes, right? Okay, got it, okay. And I'm gonna just try to rename it properly, 4 inches, and say okay. This one is only changing the name. We need to go to that edit structure here, right, to make a few changes, right? Okay, so number one, finish number one, right? Oak flooring 3/4 is perfectly fine, right? Uh, the plywood at 3/4 is perfectly fine. Okay, number three. Okay, the problem is this one here, the structure, number four. Okay, number four. Okay, function is structural. That's great, but the material is going to be also structural. But here, guys, here you're gonna click here, and you're gonna see a little 3-dot icon. You're gonna click on that gray 3-dot icon, right? This one is gonna bring you guys a material library, and here, guys, I'm not gonna go look around, right, up and down for a material, okay, that I'm not gonna be able to find. So I'm gonna go straight to the search item, and I'm gonna look for concrete, CONC, right away, and I can get the precast, okay, or the casting place. So I'm gonna use the casting place material, right? That's the one that I want, and I'm gonna hit OK. And also, okay, this one is 9 1/4, but I only need, or we only need, okay, for our house, we only need 4 inches. So we're gonna change it to 4 inches, and just need to click on anywhere on this screen. Got it? You're gonna notice that now the wood, the oak flooring is a little bit thicker, right? The plywood that is gonna hold, okay, the oak flooring finish is gonna be thicker, and the concrete is less thick because we're shrinking it from 9 inches to 4 inches. Got it? Okay. So then our floor is good. I can hit OK, OK, and now I have my, okay, 4-inch wood finish that I can rename it and add it concrete. Let's do that one right now. Okay, so let's edit this thing, right? Okay, and we need to like rename it for 4-inch. I forget completely about that, concrete. Okay, okay, the new name is gonna be 4-inch concrete, or CONC, okay, or so, okay, 4-inch concrete. Let's do that, 4-inch, okay, CONC, okay, wood floor finish, okay, we got the proper name, we say okay, okay, we got him, okay, now let's do it the way you did it on the garage. Let's go for the modify create boundary. That green tab is the one active. Here on our draw menu is the pick wall tool, right? So I'm gonna pick my exterior wall. Remember, this one places the line where it needs to be, right? Here, here, right? I'm gonna go around the kitchen as well. I'm gonna put that wood flooring here, and I'm gonna use this one here. Got it? And here I'm gonna use escape twice, and I'm gonna trim this one and this one. this one, and this one, right? And you're noticing that Revit is giving you guys a witness line here, right? So we can do that break here. Got it? And let's finish this. Got it? And we got a floor on this living, dining, kitchen, right? We don't see it. Remember, we don't see the floors, okay? But I'm gonna go and check on your models if you have your wood finish here. Got it? I'm gonna notice this. Okay, I'm gonna notice right away. I'm gonna go to your 3D and check if you got already, right, a floor for that. Okay, there we go. So let me close the 3D view for now. There we go. And that's the way you do a floor.